Hello everyone, welcome you all in an ISO certified live training program, design of steel structures with connections by using STAAD Pro, IDEA StatiCa and Advanced Excel. This training program is going to cover everything from basic to advanced for STAAD Pro and IDEA StatiCa. Integration of conceptual studies with manual and software approach. Steel beams, columns, frames and truss elements designed by the STAAD Pro. Analysis and design of all types of connections by using IDEA StatiCa. All steel structure elements along with the connection design by using advanced Excel sheets. With all of this study, we are going to cover 4 real example projects in this training program. Analysis and design of steel warehouse along with the connections. Analysis and design of pre-engineering building structures along with the connections. Analysis and design of steel buildings along with the connections, and in the last we are going to take analysis and design of infrastructure as truss and trussel assembly by using STAAD Pro. Along with all of these studies, we are also going to see how to prepare the final design sheets for the site execution. Have a look over the features of this training. Daily live classes conducted by expert for 1.5 hours. Recording of every session with lifetime access. Can interact with expert anytime, 24/7. Exposure to real practice. ISO certification of training completion. It's 5-star rated training program. Till now more than 2000 participants have benefited from this training program. Now you are the next.